Dryers require proper ventilation of hot air, moisture, and gases. Excessive lint buildup can cause clothes taking too long to dry, high utility bills, and be a potential fire hazard. About 12,000 dryer fires occur every year in the United States, and the primary reason is lint in the ductwork. Over time, dryer ducts become blocked by lint accumulation due to lint buildup and other debris that may block the duct. The ducts must be cleaned professionally in order to ensure safe and efficient ventilation. Most dryer manufacturers, such as Maytag, recommend that residential dryers be cleaned every year or two for fire prevention and energy savings. Many dryers require cleaning even more frequently due to heavy or commercial use or unusual duct construction. When cleaning the ducts, we first disconnect it from the dryer. A spinning brush system similar to a drain snake, but much more gentle, is inserted into the duct. An industrial vacuum is tightly fastened to the duct to ensure strong suction and the removal of loosened lint and any other debris. The brush is extended and spins using a drill. The vacuum also ensures that all debris removed from the duct is safely contained and not blown out the other end into the environment. We then inspect the other end of the duct and perform the same spinning brush procedure from the other direction with the vacuum still running below. And finally, we perform a pressure test using positive pressure to ensure all blockage has been resolved and that air is flowing freely through the dryer duct, making your dryers highly efficient again, lowering your energy bill, and giving you the peace of mind of greatly reducing a potential fire hazard.